ಹೆಲೋ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ನ ಟನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಮರಿಲೇಬೇಕು.
Today's topic is data science and visualization. Contents: Introduction, data science life cycle, use of data science, big data and big data importance. Introduction: Data science is a field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from the data which has been collected. Data science practitioners apply machine learning algorithms to numbers, text, images, video, audio, and more to produce artificial intelligence system which will perform same as human beings and same efficiency as human beings. In turn, these systems generate insights which analysts and business users can translate into tangible business value. Data science life cycle. So there are several steps in this life cycle, or the several stages in this life cycle, which are data collection, data preparation, exploration and visualization, experimentation and prediction, and data storytelling and communication. Data collection is collecting the data from the various sources. Data preparation, making the data ready for the process, or making the data clean and useful for our analysis. Exploration and visualization, understand patterns in the data. Experimentation and prediction, create a model, an analysis, or an experiment. Data storytelling, communication, sharing the insights to the layman or the ordinary people. Data collection and storage. This initial phase involves collecting data from various sources such as database, Excel files, text files, APIs, web scraping, or other sources like any DSV files, etc. The type and volume of data collected largely depend on the problem you are addressing. Once collected the data should be stored in an appropriate format. For example, we can store it in Excel format, or we can use a particular data structure to store the data. Data processing, often considered the most time consuming phase, data processing involves cleaning and transforming raw data into a suitable format for analysis. So in this phase, we will clear all the outlier data or unwanted data or other noise data to make the collected raw data useful for our analysis. The objective is to clean and to create a high quality dataset that can yield accurate, reliable analytical results. Exploration and visualization. During this phase, data scientists explore the prepared data to understand its pattern, characteristics, and potential anomalies. So, in this phase, usually the people who are analyzing the data will understand the pattern, and they will find if there are any anomalies or not. Techniques like statistical analysis and data visualization summarizes the data's main characters, often with visual methods. Visualization tools such as charts and graphs make the data more understandable, enabling stakeholders to comprehend the data trends and patterns better. So, to make understand for normal layman people, we use charts like pie graph, bar graph, and other visual representations to understand the trend and analytics of the data which is been collected by us. Experimentation and prediction. Data scientists use machine learning algorithms and statistical models to identify patterns, make predictions, or discover insights in this phase. So the goal here is to derive something significant from the data that aligns with the project's objective. So in this phase, we will try to gain some meaningful knowledge, or we will try to predict some value, or we will try to give some important insights of a particular organization or something, and we will try to give a proper result and proper prediction by the experimentation method. Data storytelling and communication. The final phase involves interpreting and communicating the results derived from the data analysis. It's not enough to have insights, you must communicate them efficiently or effectively using clear, concise language and compelling visualizations. The goal is to convey these findings to non technical stakeholders in a way that influences decision making or drives strategic initiatives. So, except normal people, data scientists can analyze or they can understand results which is been derived by using a model, or we can understand the predicted value, but normal layman people will not understand, or the normal business people who are not familiar with data science and all, they will not understand. So we should use some proper language, and we should use some proper um, visualization methods to make them understand and to convince the analysis which is been done by us. Data science is used for. So there are many uses of data science such as descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and perspective analytics. Descriptive analysis analyzes the past data to understand the current state and trend identification. For instance, a retail store might use it to analyze last quarter sale, or identify the best selling products. So in this method, we will collect all the previous or all the old data, and we will predict something which will come in future, and or else we can give some best result or some best thing which is happened according to the data which has been collected. Diagnostic analysis explores data to understand why certain events occurred, identifying patterns and anomalies. If a company's sales falls, it would identify whether poor product quality, increased competition, or whether other factors caused it. So in this method, we will find the cause of any event which has been occurred. For example, not only loss, if we gain something, so we will find the cause, or we will find the fact which gave gain for our organization, and we will try to convey it for the long period, or we will try to convey it for the uh, we'll try to convince we'll try to convey it forever to increase the productivity of the organization. Predictive analytics, so use the statistical models to forecast future outcomes based on past data, used widely in finance, healthcare, and marketing. A credit card company may employ it to predict customer default risk. Perspective analytics suggests action based on results from other types of analytics. It to mitigate future problems or leverage promising trends. For example, a navigation app advising the fastest route based on the current traffic conditions. Analyzing it to you can find answers that streamline resource management, improve operational efficiencies, optimize product development, drive new revenue and growth opportunities, enabling smart decision making. So daily we'll be using any social medias like Instagram, Facebook, and any IoT devices which is being used by our home. So any smart devices also like smartwatches, and not only these things, what we watch, YouTube, Netflix, this all will create enormous amount of data daily. So these data cannot be organized very easily, and it cannot be stored like normal data. We cannot use normal data structures or normal Excel sheets or normal text files to store it. So thank you for watching my video. Bye. Love you guys.